China has intensified its customs crackdown on Nvidia AI chips, signaling a major escalation in its ongoing tech sovereignty push. Authorities have deployed specialized customs teams at major ports to enforce tighter inspections on all shipments suspected of containing advanced semiconductors, especially Nvidia's H20 and RTX Pro 6000D models, which were designed specifically for the Chinese market to comply with U.S. export rules. The scrutiny has now broadened to include all high-end AI chips, amid fears of smuggling and illegal imports. Reports suggest that Nvidia chips worth over $1 billion entered China earlier this year through gray market channels despite strict U.S. export controls. Chinese regulators are now investigating companies allegedly involved in improper routing and misdeclaration of imports. At the same time, tech giants like ByteDance and Alibaba have reportedly been advised by the Cyberspace Administration of China to stop testing or ordering new Nvidia hardware. Beijing's move stems from a combination of national security concerns, economic strategy, and geopolitical signaling. Officials have claimed that foreign chips could pose security risks or potential backdoor vulnerabilities. In fact, the H20 chip recently came under scrutiny for alleged security issues, which Nvidia has firmly denied. The crackdown also supports China's long-term goal of technological self-reliance, aiming to boost homegrown semiconductor firms such as Cambricon and Byron Technology to compete globally. By tightening import controls, China aims to reduce dependency on U.S. technology, stimulate domestic chip innovation, and clamp down on illegal trade. However, this strategy carries short-term costs. It could disrupt the supply of AI hardware to Chinese tech companies, raise development expenses, and strain relationships with U.S. firms. Analysts warn that this could further widen the technological divide between the two countries, accelerating a global AI chip decoupling. The crackdown also adds to rising U.S.-China tensions. Washington may perceive this as a retaliatory step, possibly leading to more restrictive export bans or sanctions on Chinese firms. Meanwhile, domestic Chinese companies face the challenge of scaling up chip production to match Nvidia's capabilities, a process that could take years despite state support. In essence, China's aggressive enforcement on Nvidia chips is more than just a customs measure. It is a strategic maneuver reflecting the nation's determination to assert control over its technological future while navigating the pressures of an intensifying global tech rivalry.